Did you know that you can actually make money while you're traveling? And no, you don't have to be an influencer to do that, nor that you have to have a certain amount of followers. And one of the easiest way to do that is through affiliate marketing. And if you're not familiar with it, don't worry. I'll break it down to you and show you how you can get started so you can start earning even when you're traveling and exploring new places. So make sure to stick around because I'm sure this will be a game changer for your travels. So first of all, let's start with what is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a way for you to earn commission when you're promoting someone's products or service. So essentially, you share about a product, and when someone purchases it with your unique link, you earn a cut. So you can think about it as being a salesperson without handling the inventory and also the product delivery. So it's pretty simple, right? And here's how it works. First, you choose a product, and then you sign up for their affiliate program. Then you'll get your unique referral link. So with this link, you can start plugging it to your blog, your YouTube channel, your social media. And when someone clicks on your link to purchase, you'll earn a commission. And the beauty is once you set it up, you can earn money passively even when you're sleeping or when you're exploring a new place. So today I'm going to share about my top 6 travel affiliate programs, including their commission rates and their cookie duration. So cookie duration refers to the length of time an affiliate link will track a user's actions after they click on it. So when someone clicks on your affiliate link, you'll get credit for any purchases they made within that cookie period. For example, if someone used your link and the cookie duration is 30 days, you'll earn commission on purchases they made within that 30 days of clicking your link. So now that we got all of those terms sorted out, let's jump right into my top 6 affiliate program for travel. I'm going to divide this by different categories. So the first one is mobile data. And I'm sure you've heard about eSIM before. And if you haven't heard about it, it's practically like a SIM card that you can order online and you can use it while you're traveling. So you can skip all of those process of getting to the airport or to new places and having to purchase a new SIM card. And there's a lot of eSIM out there, but the one that I want to talk about for today is Saley eSIM. Their commission rate is up to 15% per sale, and their cookie duration is 30 days. So you still can earn a commission even if someone click on your link and they don't make a purchase right away. So the reason why I sign up to their affiliate program is because they have higher commission compared to other eSIM company. And also you want to choose an eSIM that covered most area. So no matter where people who use your link travel to, they still can use your link. And with Saley, they cover over 190 countries. And what I noticed, they also oftentimes have a lower price compared to the other eSIM. So this is a perfect product to promote as a cost-effective eSIM options. The second one is VPN. Now, when we're traveling, especially if you want to browse something, or even if you're someone who works remotely, it's very important to get your data protected. And that's why getting a VPN is very crucial. I think most people always have VPN when they're traveling nowadays. So this is also a perfect product to promote. And for VPN, you want to sign up to NordVPN affiliate program. The reason is their commission rate is really high. It's 40% per sale. And you also get 30 days cookie duration. I think it's really easy to promote NordVPN because this is definitely one of the highest affiliate commission out there. So their most popular product here costs around 105.36 US dollars. So when people purchase with your link, you'll easily earn more than $40. So the next category is travel network. So this is like a third-party platforms you use to book hotels, your flights, or any rentals. And here I'm going to mention travel payouts. So travel payouts is a good option for this because they do have different commission rate depending on the service, but they have up to 50% on some of the service. The cookie duration is 30 to 90 days, and this depends on the partner program. The good thing about signing up with this type of third-party platforms is people usually don't just go there to look for specific things. So this means you can earn affiliates from different ranges. For example, like flights, hotels, car rentals, tours, activities. And they also partner up with travel brands like Skyscanner, Expedia, or rental cars. The next category is travel insurance, and I do recommend everyone who's traveling to get a travel insurance because it's for your own safety. And the one that I'm going to mention here is also the one that I've been promoting a lot. It's SafetyWing, and the reason why I still promote this travel insurance because I think it's the best travel insurance out there. It gives you a lot of flexibility. So instead of paying for a yearly subscription, you can just pay for a monthly subscription because let's face it, not everyone travels for the entire year. And the good thing is also it covers a lot of different countries. So let's say you buy a monthly subscription and you're moving to different countries during this 30 days, it will still get you covered in different areas. So the commission rate for SafetyWing is $10 for each new sign up. Plus, they have recurring commission. So recurring commission means when someone sign up with your affiliate link and if they continue to purchase or continue their subscription the next month, you still get a commission from it. For the cookie duration, they have 30 days. I would say yes, the initial commission is not a lot. It's only $10, but if you think about it, for a monthly subscription, it costs 54 or 56 US dollars. And since it's a good travel health insurance, most of the time people will continue with the subscription. So every month you will still get a commission from it. Now let's talk about accommodation and booking service. And I think the most popular one that most of people use is booking.com. With booking.com, they have 25 until 40% of commission rate. So this really depends on the booking. The cookie duration is also 30 days. The reason why I picked this one is because booking.com has a good reputation. So it will be easy for you to promote this. Last but not least is flight and travel search engine. And the one that I choose over here is Skyscanner. So the commission rate for Skyscanner can be up to 50% and the cookie duration is 30 days. From my personal experience, I found that Skyscanner might be the best flight search engine because it lets you choose several different destinations and also compare the prices for you. And with Skyscanner, I also noticed that people usually get a better deal because it's like a meta search engine, meaning they direct people to airline or hotel website instead of like handling the booking themselves. This will ensure that people get the best deal, and when people feel like they're getting the best deal, they're more likely to book right away. So based on all of those categories, I'm going to put like the summary of the estimated earning per referral. So you can see roughly how much commission that you'll make with each referral. I think affiliate marketing is definitely one of the best way to make passive income. And it might look like a small commission, but if a lot of people are using your link, it will add up. Also, to really succeed in affiliate marketing, of course, you want to be transparent and you only want to recommend product that you truly believed in. I think building the trust here is the key, and this is kind of like a win-win situation because when people use your link, they'll get a certain amount of discount and you'll get a commission. And you don't have to be an influencer or a content creator to do this. Even if your friends or colleague are using your link, you still can get some commission. But if you want to generate more click on your link, you can definitely create a content, create some helpful content like reviews or tutorials, or simply sharing your experience. I've seen a lot of people are doing it on their Instagram stories, so you don't necessarily need to create reels or a lengthy YouTube video. You can simply just share it on your Instagram stories or on your Facebook page. So that's it for this video. I hope you'll learn something from this and start your affiliate marketing journey. If you're new here, don't forget to click the subscribe button and stick around if you want more ideas of how to make money online while traveling. That's it for today, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!